Okay, and I'm back. Finished our to-do list for the day. So I think combat's basically done. Let's see, it pulls in people from both sides. Here, let's. Try something out. I want to see if something works. So if I hit C, oh shit. Okay, that's fine. I know how to fix that. It's not random yet. It will be. Alright, we should kill that guy. Why isn't this stuff working? Oh, there it is. See, highlighting. Oh. Well, that's backwards. That guy's where. Your side's dead. Wow. Triple fix. Meaning, like, specifically how I do damage calculations, or... Yeah, I can show you. Let me just test this really fast. No, Bob is gonna die! Game over, you win. That should be a pen line. Let's set dude's damage to 10 just so it happens quicker. Okay. Okay, so yeah, I've written a blog about this, but we can go over it. I'm not gonna really do anything else today because I need to figure out the next step, which we'll talk about after this. So we have the music down a bit. Jeez, I feel like I'm yelling. So we have this attack time and attack time, and then attack counter, and we have damage. In here, so damage will normally be 1, and attack time will be 3. So keep those in mind. Attack time's 3, damage is 1. Then we have this attack method, which right here. Assuming we're in attack range, we'll ignore all the positioning stuff. We'll check if a counter is over underscore. Oh, sorry. Actually, before we get to that, let's do update skills. So there's a combat skill. Your combat skill will affect your speed, which is your movement speed, and attack time, which is your attack time. Effectively, each skill point reduces the attack time by 10%. So if instead of it being 3 seconds, if you had a skill of 1, it would be 1 minus 0.1, 2.7 seconds. Okay, so now we know what underscore attack time is. So we check the counter, see if it's over. If it is, we set it to 0, send a damage. Else we add time delta time, or time dot delta time. And what this is it's basically how many seconds have passed since the last frame. So most of the time it's going to be like, I mean, what's 1/60th of a second? So 0.016 repeating. I mean, or something around there. Whenever you're doing stuff, you'll notice like time dot delta time is right there, and all the movement stuff. Using time dot delta time for the speed. You want to do that because that way, if for some reason you get really low FPS or really high FPS, things will they will move at the same speed regardless of FPS. So anytime you're doing anything based on time, you want to do times time dot delta time. Does that make sense? I hope so. Okay. Well, if you have any other questions, ask. In the meantime, I'm going to explain not explain, we're going to figure out what we want to do next. So